Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker. So what's in the box? One Bluetooth speaker, one Type-C cable, user manual, and some legal and safety information. Okay, Type-C cable. These are some papers, user manual, legal and safety information. Okay. Wow, what a speaker. What a nice speaker. Look, the silicone exterior. Wow, the silicone exterior and the solid metal grill. Wow, looks so nice. And look, the logo of the Marshall. Iconic Marshall script adorn the front of the speaker. Wow, so beautiful. So this is Bluetooth button, and this is multi-functional control knob. Press for 2 seconds to turn on and off. Up for volume up, down for volume down, right for forward, and back for reverse. So this is indicator, 10 segment battery indicator. Okay, nice, so nice. So this is extremely durable and easy to use design. 10 segment battery indicator, I already shown to you. IPX7 water resistance. You guys can submerge this speaker in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Nice. Waterproof. Nice. The speaker type is subwoofer. Beautiful. 360-degree rich, loud, and vibrant sound. Awesome. 20 plus hours of playtime. That's nice. 20 hours, 20 plus hours of playtime. And the charging time is only 3 hours. After charging 3 hours, enjoy 20 plus hours of playtime. So nice. The weight is only 1.5 laps. Tough body speaker. Tough body speaker. So nice. So good. Look, there is a grill in the back also, because this is 360-degree sound. The sound comes from the back and from the front, from both speakers, from both sides. So nice, so beautiful. Okay, let me turn on the speaker and check the performance of this Marshall Bluetooth speaker, Emberton Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Wow. Look, the battery indicator. This is Bluetooth. And the middle is so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Multi-directional control knob. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, and it's time to listen to the music.
in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me baby, you're not wasting time, but how could I let her go? Don't you know I might adore you? I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sometime make the clouds move over. We can do whatever, yeah, I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sometime make the clouds move over. We can do whatever. We can do whatever, yeah. Tick-tock, we're alone now, and my thoughts are frozen, frozen now. Seeing pixels in slow-mo, in a weightless motion. She called me crazy and I'm wasting time. See, don't leave me now. Yeah, for the sky and it's diamond. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sometime make the clouds move over. We can do whatever, yeah, I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever, yeah, sometime make the clouds move over. We can do whatever.
Wow, what a performance by Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker. 360-degree rich, loud, and vibrant sound with punchy bass. So nice, so beautiful. It's very clear. 20 hours of playtime, IPX7, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, rustproof, beach, sandproof. You can say all weatherproof. This is rugged Bluetooth speaker. Extremely durable and easy to use design. Silicone exterior and solid metal grill. It looks beautiful. And you guys can control it with the multi-directional control knob. Nice Bluetooth speaker. I like it. So this is must-have speaker. So if you guys like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel 369 unboxing. So right now the price of this Bluetooth speaker is around $149 plus tax on Amazon. So nice Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.